finally reached. Yeah, bro. What a trip!
What a trip, bro!
Congratulations, bro. You made it.
Yeah, Merry Christmas
Yeah.
and Happy New Year. In case if you don't see me, good afternoon, good evening, and good night.
This is our view now. Unfortunately, we didn't manage to catch the sunset, but at least we see the fuck. So deep here, bro. Morning. I just woke up and this is where I slept last night, and they said that this place there's a lot of snake around during this time, but I still put my hammock because I have this tent, this mosquito net, so it's kind of safe to sleep. On the top is that other people already slept. Also, Pyring Amir, he's supposed to sleep in the hammock, but he got scared of the snake. He said he couldn't sleep in hammock. I'll show you where they slept. This is where they slept last night here. No tents, but we managed to put up.
Assalamualaikum, shalom.
We managed to put up improvised tent. Right, bro?
Right.
Look. This is where we cook all the food. Look at the oil. It's already like became butter.
Became balagon. Oh, it became
Look,
butter and
because it's
became balagon.
freezing. It's like 7 degrees now.
7 degrees.
7 degrees.
Crazy. Imagine some places in the world. There's negative. Yeah. Pwede mo siyang gagawin ng place.
Mess up. See.
Go, 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 go. Go, go. Go, 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 go. Good boy.
It's 6:45 in the morning right now. This is where we camp. It's a village. This is the view. The back. Wala na silang supply ba?
क्या भैया चाय तो कुछ नहीं क्या हुआ यार तुम रात को नहीं खाया सुबह नहीं खाया था क्या करता बीमार है हम नहीं अच्छा क्या हुआ मालूम नहीं है
Going down now from Woh Village. elevation here is 4,700 feet. And now is around 9 in the morning. This is the direction going down again, starting from this one bungalow, first bungalow, going down here. And this is the view. Right now, we're gonna be passing by to this village because one of our friend, I think, is preparing a food here. This is the village. Go, Rio. Let's go. So I guess this is the village that we're gonna be passing by for the meantime. How are you, Oreo? All good? All tamam? Let's go. Go, let's go. Go. Yeah, good boy. Right. We got some injured crew. One of the firing crew already injured. Oh.
Bro, Jer, this is shorter way. You go down.
Alright.
Tinapon na bag na itlog.
Yeah.
Luto ba yung lahat?
I have the egg.
Iwan nyo naman po, kuya. May
So?
mga ano niluto kanina.
Yeah, we have to finish all the food from here.
Adurog yung egg.
Eto.
Hey, I don't have food here. I mean,
Dami palang ano eh. Got a lot of supply here. Hi bro, what are you cooking? Cooking something?
Cooking vegan.
Primitive cooking to bro dito ah.
Oo.
Primitive way of cooking oh. Dirty
primitive
kitchen.
guy.
Now we'll take a rest. Ah bro. Kulo tamam?
Cool, tamam.
Bro. This you cook?
Yeah. You can send
Very good bro, very good. Can I try?
No problem.
No, small only. And we got some vegan section here.
Assalamualaikum.
Ayos. Ayos yung trip natin ah.
Oo, siyempre.
Yung mga unexpected ano ba? Pinagluto pa tayo ng biryani ah.
Kaya nga, hindi nagpaluto si ano?
Hmm?
Nagpaluto si... Pangalan to?
Red, ano yan? Hindi luto yung red.
Ah, gusto mo ba?
Yeah. Hindi ako dapat kakain.
Okay
I'll
lang.
show the view. You got some water supply here. And this is their amazing rest area. Ganda dito. Dapat dito na lang tayo nag-camp, no? Okay. Danin mo muna sila.
Hi.
Oreo. Oreo.
Hey, Oreo. Uy, akin yan eh. Ba? Dito pa?
So, we finally almost reaching on the first bungalow. Now it's like around almost 3 p.m. Now the elevation is 1,560. It was almost 5,000 when we start from the Woh Village. So yeah, we're almost there finally. Crazy hiking trails here on the way to Stairway to Heaven, right bank, Woh Village. Now it's around 3:30 and we're already almost reaching to the jump off. There's the jump off over there. And these are all the mountain that we climbed. This mountain. It's very tiring but it's such an amazing experience because in this kind of hiking in Woh Village you really have to push your limit, and sometimes you already lack of like the power and the strength that you think that like you can't do it anymore, but you just need to keep on going for you to be able to reach your destination. Of course, whatever you want to achieve in life there is always a challenge like along the way, but it's up to you how you will like tackle it. So that's it. It's the whole journey of this hiking trip. Tiring. Well done, guys. Finally back and jump off. Well done, bro. Well done. Sulbongin natin tong mas malala yung situation. Well done, bro. Well done. As usual.